Your goal with this project is to learn how to design really cool things like this just using Google Slides. So we're going to start with doing our thinking maps, and we'll start with something basic like the circle map. And if you go up here, there's shapes. You can click on shapes, and then there's all these different shapes that you can choose from. So let's say, obviously, we're going to click on this oval here. Circle is a fancy oval. Well, if I just click and drag, what happens is I get an oval. And I don't want an oval. I want a circle. So if I choose the circle again and hold down the shift key while I click and drag, I can make a perfect circle. Once I have my circle, I want to resize it. So I'm going to hold down the shift key and get it exactly how I want it. And, I think this would be about, well, actually, let's do the outside. Let's make this first circle bigger. And then we're going to put this small circle in here. So I'm going to choose the shape, the oval shape again, holding down the shift key. And I'm going to click and drag and get my circle. Now, if I wait for those red lines to pop up, then I know I'm centering it. So I have it centered horizontally, or vertically. Now I need to center it horizontally. When I get both red lines, now it's in the center. So let's recolor these and make the lines thicker. So with this one, I want to recolor it so it's transparent. I don't actually want it to be white. I want it to be transparent. And I want to change the border weight. And you can go really thick like that. That's going to be too thick. So maybe something like a 4 would be good. And we've got this one right here. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to make that transparent and a 4. So now I have a circle map. I also want to be able to create text boxes later. So I can click on a text box. Maybe I want one just right here in the center ready to go. So I can just click on it and be able to type later. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to delete this map and just have my basic circle map.